Pub anyone?
Hello and welcome to Lat It Up, where your driving skills are put to the test and then through the eyes of someone who doesn't have any. And today we're here with Daniel J. Layton.
That's me.
You'll know Dan from comedy sketches to his own cooking show, Baking with Layton, which will soon have his own cookbook, which you can find out more in the description below.
You've got a bit of racing history background, I would say.
I come from racing stock in many ways, Matt. That's right, yes. My dad races. He always has. And we watched F1 loads when I was a young child. We were part of a car club and we'd always go to the posh person's house and I would play around the kitchen while they all watched the racing. My dad's raced at Brands Hatch before and I believe that's where we're racing today. There's three things at play here. The first one is that I just don't want to lose, and I understand that to do that I just have to finish Jacob.
I'm gonna have you guts for garters. Oh fuck! Bollocks!
Number two is that I'm incredibly obnoxiously competitive and so I really, really want to win. And number three is that I genuinely feel like I might be disowned if I do really badly. So Dad, if you're watching, turn off. It's gonna be fine, I promise.
And with that all being said, let's get into the rules.
You'll be driving around the Short Brands Hatch circuit in the classic 1965 Mini Cooper S. You will first set a normal lap time, trying to drive around the circuit in the quickest time possible. But for your second lap, you'll be wearing one of the world's best drunk goggles. Every second will count here, so try to keep the car on the circuit as best you can. After both attempts are completed, your lap times will be added up for a final result. If your car runs off the circuit or crashes, you must still finish the lap as there are no second chances.
Oh God, oh God. Oh, this is it. Oh no, oh okay, go.
Welcome back to the racetrack for Dan's first lap, and away we go, heading down towards the first corner.
When I was a kid, I would play the F1 PlayStation game, and it was commentated by Murray Walker, and he would say things like,
He must be shedding buckets of adrenaline in that car.
and he is, he really is.
Straight down towards turn one they come. Wait a minute. What's happened?
Everything's fine, everything's fine, everything's fine. Nothing's fine.
He's completely lost it.
Right, back on track, come on.
This young man really is a superlative driver.
He's fucked it, lads.
So a slight mistake there for Dan on turn one with the help of Murray Walker commentating, but now heading down towards turn three. This corner is downhill, so Dan really needs to watch out his entry speed so he doesn't skid out onto the left. Let's see how he does.
Just go, just go. Just don't think twice about it, just go. There it is.
Oh, a bit too much speed there for Dan, but now heading down towards the Cooper Straight.
Oh my God, like, I feel sick. I feel actually sick.
Now going into the 30 chicane.
This is why I'm not allowed to drive.
Perfect entry there for Dan, now going on to the very last corner, which is a very long right-hander, and Dan is sticking onto that racing line absolutely perfectly.
Oh, the pressure.
Oh, a bit of the pressure made him do a bit of grass cutting, but now heading down towards the finishing line.
That's the pit stop. Don't go down there. Everything is going to be fine. Now it's just plain sailing. It's just plain sailing to the end of the lap. Go on! Go! No, fucking...
And it's going to be a 1 minute 18.538.
So how did you find that first run?
Stressful. The pressure's on. And now I understand what that song was all about. The heat is on.
So in the first lap category, you've actually come 9th.
Oh.
So you're right in the middle of the pack.
Ninth off?
Of 15.
Okay, that's bottom half.
But if you actually look at the timings, like just above you there, it's only just a few tenths off the other times as well.
God, I came after Mike Truman. I'm gonna play it safe. Fuck knows what that's gonna look like when I put that on my face. It can't be more stressful than that was, surely. Okay. Oh God, this is so weird. How do I live without you? Do I close one eye? Well, not that one. No, I can't see anything. Okay, good, right. Okay.
Watch for the lights. And it's go.
Yeah, I'm gonna try. Oh wow, this is good.
It's a great start. Into the long, sweeping left-hander.
Does he go? Oh, that looks yellow. Feel like, in a weird way, that went better than last time. But what the hell does the thing look like now? No, good, he's fucked it. There he said it, he jinxed it. Everything's
He's in the gravel.
coming up later. And he's back on the track.
Somehow he's managed to keep going. He's accelerating hard now.
Closing one eye does help, but I feel like I look a little bit like if a Muppet played a pirate. Arr. just realised what I probably look like. Oh no, where am I going now? Left. Oh dear. Oh dear. This doesn't feel normal. I don't believe I'm still on the track. I think I've gone down a country road in Kent. I think I've taken a wrong turn. And somehow, I've ended up. Oh. Pub anyone? Let's just do it. That'll be fine.
And there is the checkered flag.
So how did you find it in the second round with the jump goggles on?
That was an experience. I sort of felt like everything was above me. My hands weren't attached to my body. That made me slow down a little bit, which made me take the corners that I could see better.
Yeah, especially with the first corner as well, where you went before maybe a bit too much speed. With that one, you're a bit more cautious, but then you went through that.
Then I got cocky, Matt, and then I fucked up the next one, so.
So, your second lap was a 1 minute 25.586. So in the second lap category, just on its own, you were 4th quickest.
Oh shit!
So
what does that do to the final standings, Matt? Where am I on the leaderboard?
So your final time was a 2 minutes 44.124.
Come on.
Which puts you just out at 6th place, unfortunately.
Always the fucking bridesmaid.
Literally just 1 second off, unfortunately. But that's still an amazing time, properly close.
Who's above me?
Just above you was Charlotte Dan with 2 minutes 43, just literally 1 second above.
I didn't win, and that's a... Can I take home a trophy anyway? Is there a participation medal?
Got a chocolate ball one.
I will accept that.
There we go. Well, thank you very much for watching, and thank you, Dan, for being on the show. I hope you enjoyed it.
Thanks very much.
And we'll see you next time.
Now remember, you can check out our content by clicking the links down below, and if you want to see where everyone is at currently in the championship, look over to the right hand side. But who should be in the next episode of Lap It Up? Let me know down in the comments below, and also remember to subscribe so you're then ready for those new episodes. But thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.